Here's the unboxing of the Liebherr LR1300 crawler crane. I have the derrick extension kit coming tomorrow. I ordered it from a different place, that's why it's coming in a different day. Paid $420 $428 for it. The derrick kit is $300 extra. It's a normal NZG box. Comes in a 2-part styrene. Comes in a big instruction pamphlet. This will most likely be my last model for a while, because I'm saving up for the TWH Manitoba 31,000. It's supposed to come out in April or May of next year. Costs $1,800. So this will be my last purchase for a while. Here's your top tray. Boom sections. They're held together with those tiny nuts and bolts that everybody likes. Just joking. Here's your luffing jib tip. It's really nice. Here's your undercarriage weights. They're pretty heavy. They give you some lifting straps too. I guess that's what they are. Comes with some extra crawler pads. There's all your tiny nuts and bolts. I don't know what these things are for. They look like toothpicks. I don't know why they keep sending them. I don't know what they're for. Or this key thing. I don't know what those are for. But all the NZG models that I've been getting come with those. Here's your bottom tray. Your A-frame already comes strung. Here's your boom head and your luffing jib heel. It's fixed together, but all you have to do is pop these pins out. There's your counterweight base plate. Here's all your counterweights. They come in a little container. They do have a lot of weight to them. Here's your main hook block. It's a 3-sheave, and it swivels and spins, or moves up and down. It's basically the same thing as the 11200 block, 3-sheave block. This one is your headache ball for your whip line. Nothing special. Car body is actually not that heavy. Already kind of strong, but it looks like they're still all in the sheaves. Cab, it has antennas on it. Here's your lights and mirrors. It's really nice. Alright, I'm going to go put it together now, and when I get the derrick kit tomorrow, I'll make another video, unboxing video, and then I'll do a assembly stop motion. Right now I'm working on the 630 ECH tower crane stop motion video. I'm almost done with it. I should have it up in the next day or so. It's the LR1300.